Hello guys, welcome to my Python YouTube channel DESI ASTRO, and in this Python tutorial you are going to learn about Photutils. I mean the Python module used for photometry of astronomical sources. So in this tutorial we'll be drawing circular aperture around the source, and the aperture may be like multiple aperture at a single position of xy and multiple aperture at different positions and at a single position. So let's do it. So first you need to read your feeds file. Okay, so first read your feeds file. So for reading feeds file you need to use Astropy libraries, and you can also watch my earlier videos on reading how to read feeds file and plot it. But by the way, we can learn one more time for our convenience. So let's import libraries. So import library. Now so import Astropy. So from astropy.io import feeds. Okay, and then you have to read file. So for that, type command feeds dot open and give here your file name. So in my case my file name is r.feeds. So my file name is r.feeds. So your file name may be different from my file name. Now run it. Okay, so or you can give here file. Now say file.info. So this will give your information about the data in your file, that how it is arranged. So you can see that your data is in, like, say, your primary HDU. I mean it's 0. So for accessing that, just type data equal to file and give 0 for your primary and type data. Let's see what it is returning, and give here data. So you can see that here is your like Pro32 data type, and then you want to plot it. So plot it. So for that, import library matplotlib. So import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, so for that, type command here plt.image, because you have to show your image, and give your data. Now type plt.show. Now run it. Okay, you can see that there is like a small dots but not visible accurately. So for that, you need to import your like log norm. So go here and from matplotlib colors, import, log norm. So basically this will make your color on the log scale, because our eyes are sensitive to logarithmic intensity. So for that, and then type here norm equal to log norm, and now run it. What is the mistake? Matplotlib.colors. There should be colors. Now run it. Okay. So here you can see that there is your galaxy image, and there are some galaxies, there are some stars and other objects. So this is your your fit filing, and you can also plot color bar. So plt dot color bar. So you can see that here's your color bar for intensity, and it is on log scale. So we have imported this log norm. Okay. You can also see that your 0 0 is not matching at the left lower. Gray. Okay, this is your gray cell color, and we can put jet for time being. Okay, so now what I can do, I can plot aperture around any object. Okay, so you can zoom this plot. So for that, just type your command %matplotlib and widget. So this will add interactive control to this plot. Let's run it. There is matplotlib. There should be O. Now run it. Okay. So here you can see that you got set of buttons, and now you can zoom this image if you want. Okay, see, you can see your galaxy, and you can zoom it. You can move one step back and completely to return home. Okay, so this much we have done. Now we need to plot aperture. Okay, so for that, come here and import, and here import here Photutils. Import Photutils. So this is used for photometry, and then you need to import your circular aperture. Okay, so you can just give your circular aperture. So for that, type command from Photutils from Photutils dot aperture import your circular your cir there should be sir there should be r. Okay, so we have imported our library. Now define your aperture. So define your aperture. Okay, so for that you need to give your position xy. So give xy position and radius. Okay, so you can define say aperture 1 equal to, and then you can give your say circular aperture. Circular aperture and then give your say position. So position you can give, suppose that I want to plot around this star. Okay, on this galaxy, so let's check where it is. It is at say 614 and 580. So you can give say 618 and 580 is your location, and your radius should be some numbers. So you can give say 300, and now type here aperture 1 dot plot, and this one close it as a function. And you can also give say color, so you can type color equal to red, or line width you can give equal to 5. Now run it. You need to give your plt dot show. Okay, so here you can see that you have a very beautiful circular aperture in the red color around this object as a center. Okay, so you have learned a very interesting thing in Photutils to draw aperture. Now you can draw aperture at multiple positions. If you want, you can give your aperture to, just copy paste it, or just yeah. So you need to just copy paste it and give here say aperture 2, and then give position. You can say suppose you want to draw around this object. Okay, so its location you can guess 1170 and 660. So 1160 and 760, 780, and you want to draw it a bigger aperture. You can give it green color, or maybe you can give black color. Now run it. There is a mistake, double comma, aperture 2 dot plot. Okay, so there is one R is missing from here. Okay, so you can see that here is your, say that your black aperture with bigger size. You can also give label to this. Label equal to aperture aperture 1, okay, so center equal to you have center equal to say 618 and 580, 618 and 580 and different radius. So for that you can copy paste it here and called it say aperture 3, and you need to pass here array. Okay, so you can give here positions 3, and then you have to give your radius. Okay, rad you can give, and then define your position equal to, say you want to give, or maybe just give here your position simply say 618 and 580, and you can give your radius equal to, say you can give say 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, like. R must be scalar, so you need to, I think you need to give for loop, or maybe you can make it a array, np dot array, and then use your for loop. So for I in range of length of rad, and then give your aperture and aperture 3 dot plot. On it. Okay, so here you can see that you have aperture around this object. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this way you can draw the aperture around the object. You can also change the location if you want. Suppose I want to go at 900 and 900. Now run it. See, you have a different aperture. So this way you can draw the aperture around the single object. So I hope you got the idea that how to plot aperture around the object of different radii and aperture at different XY position. So thank you. And and I hope you got a clear idea that how to draw aperture.